Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Sydney. Today I have an awesome Thredup rescue box unboxing for all of you. I bought this mystery box to sell on Poshmark, so hopefully I got some good items. This is actually a men's Thredup rescue box. So Thredup actually does not sell men's items, they only sell women's and kids items on their website. So I guess people send in men's items not knowing that, and that is where the men's rescue box comes from. So just in case you need to know, Thredup does not accept men's items, just want to point that out. But I did purchase this men's rescue box, so hopefully it's going to have some good stuff in it. This week I'm going to be talking a lot more about Thredup in my private training group, so if you're interested in that, definitely send me an email. My email is poshbosshq@gmail.com. Okay, so let's get into this unboxing. Pretty big box, so hopefully it is crammed full of stuff. Okay, so first item is a men's dress shirt. It is from Ralph Lauren. This might be a women's actually. It is a women's. This is a women's dress shirt, size large. So not a men's item. They thought it was a men's item. It is not a men's item. You can always tell because of which side the buttons are on. So first item is a women's item, but still good brand, still good quality, so I'll take it. Next item is definitely a men's item. This is a Land's End tie. Let's see, it kind of reminds me of Harry Potter. So you can see Land's End tag there, if it will focus. There we go. And then it is 100% silk. I love ties because they are really quick to list and they are good little filler items for your closet. Next, ooh, I'm liking this. Yes. These are Shark Sweatbands. So it's a little hard to see. Here's the little Shark logo on the tag, and then you can see how it has Shark in the trim right there. So yeah, Shark is a great brand to pick up. It usually sells pretty quickly, so pretty excited about these. Next is a Nike dry fit t-shirt. These also sell pretty well for me. Nike men's size large, so that's a good size. Excellent quality, nothing wrong with it. I wonder if people get upset if they send their men's stuff to Thredup and they don't get it back. Next is another men's Nike shirt. It's like this. It says I'm doing work. Another size large. I also love t-shirts because they're pretty quick to list and people buy them pretty frequently. So people love workout gear, anything like that. Alrighty, this is definitely a men's dress shirt. It is from Foxcroft. Probably like a $20-ish item. Nothing wrong with it. Great shape. It looks brand new. Another Ralph Lauren dress shirt. Great shape. Like there's nothing wrong with them. They look brand new pretty much. Not terrible. So. Next is a Hollister long sleeve t-shirt. Nothing wrong with it. Hollister is a great bread and butter item. People really like the brand. It's been around a long time. Size large. Long sleeve. This will be really good to list for the upcoming fall winter weather. Next is a pair of bullhead jeans. Let's see, size 34, 32. Also a great color for the fall. is a pullover by a brand called Arket. I've never heard of this, so not really sure about it, but again, great condition, great men's item. Kind of like a polo style pullover. Next is a Nike hoodie. So pretty good selection of Nike items in this haul. Nike hoodie, dry fit, size large. Kind of tempted to keep this. Love great hoodies for the winter. It doesn't get too cold here, but occasionally you do have to break out some warmer weather items. Last item is a pair of Nike shoes. Pretty good condition. I don't usually ever find sneakers in good condition here, so this is pretty awesome. They are size 11, so I'll have to look these up. They look pretty simple, but they are in good condition, and I just need to kind of clean the soles off just a little bit. But yeah, pretty good. I had a coupon, so I paid around, I want to say like $30 shipped. I'll look it up and put it here for you guys. So I didn't pay too much for this stuff, and it's all really good bread and butter stuff. The Gymshark pants alone should pay for the whole box, so the rest of it will be profit. Again, all of it was in really good condition. I love selling men's items. Men's items tend to be selling more often on Poshmark, so I'm excited about that. I feel like the men's market on Poshmark is growing pretty well. I have seen, you know, more activity on the men's items that I have listed in my Poshmark closet. So definitely start listing your men's items. Don't be afraid to list men's items. They, you know, don't move as fast as the women's items, but they usually move for a higher price than women's items, especially things like dress shirts, shoes, jeans, things like that. And then when I'm sourcing for them, the men's items are usually in much better condition. So don't be afraid to branch out, list men's items, you know, see what sells for you. It's always a good idea to add more markets to your Poshmark closet. Okay, so that is my unboxing video of the day. If you enjoyed it, if you liked anything, leave me a comment down below. If you have any video requests, leave me a comment down below and let me know. And I will see you guys in the next